one of the key characteristic of these kind of projects is that you need historical data. And usually when an AI firm comes in, the client did not properly collect data for a long period of time, which is what is needed to have a good predictive maintenance solution. So how did you face this challenge? Was your client, your core client, already very data aware and had a long history of data collecting, or did you have to come in with the first solution you described, start collecting data, and then build on that?
So we found, this client was probably on the more mature side of data understanding and awareness, but there is, there is with most of our clients still gaps in that historic data. So what we have built in our platform and what we find is key is the ability to ingest as much historic data as we can. So that will often come across different systems. So that might be direct infrastructure or system related data. So in this instance with cranes, it will be data relating to performance, to load management. We can bring in data from other related systems, so they will have port tracking related information. So we will know ships and containers and manifests and those sorts of things. So we can build some of that historical data from across different systems. And then as we are ingesting and I guess building a view of the ecosystem with that historic data, we're also connecting immediately to start to enhance that data with whatever real-time information we can get. So we will connect to systems and collect from day one, so that we have that combination of historic and then very recent data, and use AI to actually build the connection between those and build inferences based on whatever is the historic amount of data that we've been able to get, and then what more detailed data we can get real time and or from that point of collection once we engage with the client.